Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you are having a wonderful day. It is a little overcast, and yes, we are getting some rain this weekend, but I'm not mad about it, y'all. But today's video, I'd like to share with you all many of my plants and my fruit trees. Also, I want to share with you some of the little seedlings that I have, my seedlings that I am putting in place, right? So let's get on with the video. Yeah, and this is my dinner. Yeah, a lot of this is my dinner today. Oh yeah, baby. We're going to make a cool stir fry with shrimp. All right, family. All right, so I planted one of my artichokes in one of the cells here, and Ben is filling out the rest of the Katrina bricks. Yeah, that's some soil we had left in one of those old buckets and old containers, and we're gonna throw that container away, but we're gonna get all the soil out. And we're gonna get all this together. So I'm gonna plant one of my artichokes here. I'm gonna plant one of them all the way on the end. We're going to put some peppers in the middle and flowers. We'll see, but definitely going to put something in them. Yeah. Yeah, but that's the first artichoke here. All right, guys. I may take that one out, but... So we got some more plants in our Katrina bricks. I'm not going to put anything close to this artichoke, maybe 1 or 2 bricks. I'm going to just see, because the artichoke get really, really big. She get huge. So I don't want to block anything from there, but we'll see how it go. We'll see how it go. But the rain is coming. As a matter of fact, it's been sprinkling raining as we go, but yeah, it's coming. It's coming, y'all. So this is another bush of mint. Yeah, this is spearmint over here. And I do have some bulb flowers in here. And yeah, these are bulb flowers, the ones that's sticking up. But I'm looking forward to them. What is that? Something is growing on something, some kind of insect in here. Let's see what it is. It looks like it may be some type of spider. Ooh, he's coming out, y'all. Oh, who are you, baby? Well, one thing, is it friend or is it foe? So I'm going to tell you. This is foe. Oh, yeah, he's coming out. Just don't get on my hand. Okay. It's a spider. Yeah. No, it's not a spider, y'all. It's not a spider. This is a bad bug. I'm going to find out what it is. I'm going to come back and tell you. All right? Let me get a good picture of it. Let me set it down so I can get a good shot of it. God. All right, that's him. He was growing on he was in my mint, and he came out of a sack that looks like a spider. So I'm trying to keep still, y'all. Come on. Focus. Ooh. Keep still, Linda. Alright. First, I want to look to see if I see any more in here. And I don't so far. Ooh, that smells good, y'all. Yeah, the smell is intoxicating. It smells so good. Alright. Let's find out who she is. Swishard. And she's beautiful. Just getting lovely. and delicious. And delicious. Yeah. So this is my lemon tree that I harvested a lot of lemons from last season, and she is booming. But check this out. So this is a stem that broke, so we're gonna follow it down and follow it down. And there it is here, and look at that. Focus, mama. Yeah. And she's just blooming, so I'm gonna let her stay. I was thinking about taking her off and just sticking her in the soil, but even on the other little part of it, that's my leaves for my super juice, some new super juice. But I'm gonna put it in the container, and we're about to get some rain, so yeah. Great rain stuff. Yeah, so she's doing it again, y'all. She's doing it again. Do your thing, mama. So I got her container all cleaned out. And now I have to clean out Fiona's. No, just look at Fiona. So I'm gonna clean her bucket out. I'm gonna try to get all this in before the rain comes. Yeah. So this is my blueberries. See, can I get close to them so you all can see? I have blueberries. Yeah, y'all. Now my other plant, she don't have any berries. She's full of flowers, but not the berries. Ooh, baby. So this is one of my little raised bed with the onions, and the onions are doing well this morning. They're doing really good. They're waiting for this rain because I didn't water anything. I only watered my seedlings I have in cups. Yeah, but they're gonna be all right. That's them, y'all. So this is my little Katrina brick bed that Jody and I pulled up all of the mint. Y'all see what's coming up here? Mint, all in the bed with the onions. I've been pulling out some of it, but they're going crazy. Also, we have zinnias growing in here also. Yeah. Lots of zinnias growing in here, but I'm gonna try to get up a lot more of this mint in the bed with them, but it's not look like it's stopping them at all from growing, so we'll see how they do. But this mint, man, she is a mess over here. Yeah. All right, Ben is filling up these grow bags. I'm gonna get them all filled and get them in the middle of the garden. Well, some of them are gonna be against the wall or against this fence, right, Ben? Yeah, y'all. We're getting it together, y'all. Slow moving, but we're gonna get it. Watch that flower, Ben. Oh, don't knock that flower down, bro. Getting rid of these. Getting the soil in these containers, and he's gonna mix it up, and then he's gonna put them in the bags. Yeah. So Ben used all the soil I had out here. Well, I have some more in here, but anyway, I think he did 9 bags. But what he don't know, I got about 6 bags in the garage. He's gonna put them out tomorrow. So we're done doing this here for today, but we'll see what the rain gonna be like tomorrow because it's supposed to rain a lot. We'll see how it go, but we got that done. Thanks, Ben. All right, y'all. Jada's home, and she's gonna take one of the caterpillars
So should I just like cut the stem in?
Yeah, cut the stem. Cut the stem. Right. Wait. Wait, no. Give it to me. All right. Not cut. Now, put some food in there.
Whoa.
What? What is doing?
Nothing. It just looks different.
Cut some of the dill and put it in there with it. Some nice stems. Yeah, some more. Put some more. Yeah. You gonna take care of it, Mommy?
Yeah. Wait, you can't see it.
I know. No, you got one of them not in there.
Oh, I see.
It dropped.
I get it. That's good?
Maybe one more. Because it's going to need food in order to grow. I mean, you could come back and get more, of course. It smells like pickles, huh?
Yeah.
I know. Look out, Jada. All right. So Jada got a caterpillar in there, y'all.
I hope I can give you an update on it turning into a butterfly.
But there's many more on here. Let's see.
It's moving.
It's moving. It's alive. Yeah. And there's another one. Yeah. And another one over there and over there. Yeah, it's a lot.
Yeah.